Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, New Growth Naturals. I'm so excited because in today's video I'll be giving you an update on my length retention on my hair growth. It has been forever. The last time I did a length check was 5 months ago and my ear was 11 and 11 and a half inches all around and like 10 inches in the back. I'll play that video for you later on so you can compare, but I'm so excited. Like, I don't know what the results are when I know my hair has grown. Can you see this? Let me know, by the way, if you like this style. It's not really a style. I just took my hair down out of braids and had it in some twists, and I decided that it was looking so messy, so I put it up for work. But you know, I don't wear my hair out like this. I know it's cute, right? But yeah, I don't wear my hair out like this. Anywho, let's jump into what this video is all about. So I'm gonna do a length check, and I'm also gonna share with you my regimen that I've been doing from the past 5 months since I big chop my hair. Well, big chop mean that I cut some off my waist length hair, and yeah, I will be sharing what exactly I've been doing with you. But let's do this length check first. Are you ready? Here's your inspiration for today. Let us not grow weary in well-doing, for in due season you will reap the rewards. Galatians 6 verse 9. Okay guys, so let me be honest with you. I've been keeping a very simple but consistent regimen since the last time you saw me doing a length check. Basically what I've been doing to my hair is braiding my natural hair up, and I've been doing bigger braids than what I normally do before. First I used to do smaller braids like these right here, but now I'm doing bigger braids like these that you see. And yes, they don't last as long as the tiny ones, but they're much easier to take down and to install given my busy schedule. So this is what I've been doing: braid my hair for at least a month or 2 weeks, the least I've ever braided my hair for, and take them down. Like if my scalp feels a little bit, you know, irritated, I'll just take them down, give myself a break, or if I have somewhere to go. But normally I braid my hair to last me for 2 months. During that 2 months, I would normally wash my braids, deep condition my braids, oil my hair, moisturize my hair. I'd usually take down my edges and redo it sometimes because of the sizes that I have. If I have time, I'll just take down the whole thing and redo them. I won't pass a comb through my hair. I have not passed a comb through my hair for the past 5 months at all. All I've been doing is finger detangling, you know, and my hair is not matted at all. My hair is mats easily because I have 4C hair. It is stretched now somewhat, and I've not been using any heat tools on my hair whatsoever. So basically I try to wash my hair in braids and do everything to it while it is in braids. Reason being, I have really sensitive scalp, and when I wash my hair out, my hair gets a lot of tangle no matter how stretched I try to keep it. And just trying to detangle that, even when I'm finger detangling, my scalp gets miserable and it really hurts. And apart from that, I am trying to lessen the amount of manipulation I do to my hair, because like I said, my hair gets matted easily, and that in turn can lead to breakage. So fun fact for you, some of you that are thinking that your 4C hair doesn't grow, it actually grows, but our hair is coily, tends to be very dry, and manipulation can easily break our hair. So try to lessen the amount of heat and also tools that you use on your hair. Use your fingers a whole lot, okay? That was what I was basically doing. What else? Yes, so I'll take down the braids like after every 2 months, and then I'll just twist my hair up in the same sections big, and that will keep me for like a week or two. And I'll, well, of course, every 3 days I have to redo it, because the thing about braids and twist with my hair, braid lasts long in my hair and I can manipulate it and do different stuff to it without ruining the style too much, even washing it. With twist, after 3 days of doing nothing or doing anything at all, it locks up, and I don't want to have to be constantly taking them down to retwist it. And I agree, my hair looks far better in twist, because that's when you see the volume. Braids tend to make my hair, you know, a little bit thinner and look, yeah. What else have I been doing? Yeah, I've been taking vitamins. I've been taking the XTC, you know, DHT blocking supplements, because like if you've been watching me for a while, you know that I struggle with alopecia, and I had bald patches everywhere in the top of my head, to the side, to the back. My parts are still somewhat wide, but I don't have really high density hair, so I know what my hair used to look like, but it's not far from there now. I'm really happy. I'm giving God thanks. Praise the Lord. Giving God thanks for that. And I've been doing laser treatments, low-level laser hair regrowth treatment for my alopecia spots as well. I've been using the Teradome laser therapy. I've been using DHT blocking shampoo. I'm using everything from the same line. They're medicated products and they have been so awesome. I did a review on that. If you want to see that video, you can check my channel out. Also, I'll post it on New Growth Naturals Hub, just in case you have not subscribed to my other channel, which is monitored by Gary, New Growth Naturals Hub. You need to subscribe. All right, leave a comment below and let me know if you like my hair like this. Anyways, let's jump into lens check. Are you ready? So let's take this down. Ooh, I have to be careful. My hair gets knotted in everything. That's why I don't wear these styles. Strand. All right, try not to break it. Get all matted and tangled in this thing. That's how my hair is for you. I think I just popped one strand. That's not cool. Anyway, let's start from this side. By the way, my hair has gotten so much thicker. So it's not only getting longer, it is growing thicker. It still has some texture in it because, like I said, I just took it out some really fat braids and twists that I had in for like 2 weeks this time. The shortest I've kept it for. So what it looks like now. Yay! This is where it's at. Let me stand up a little bit for you. Yeah, right here. And now let's use my measuring tape. Woo. So this is where the 0 is at. So we're gonna start right here, not right here, okay? Right here. And I'm gonna put it where the 0 is at, to the base of my scalp. And then I'm gonna pull my hair all the way down on it. Stops right here. So that was 13 and a little bit over an half inches, almost 14 inches. Wow, the last time that was 11 inches or 11 and a half, I think. Anyways, I'm so excited. Oh, let's do this side. By the way, I moisturized this here last night, but if you can see a lot of oils on my hand, but my hair gets dry easily, and that's why I have to keep my moisture cream up. Before I wash my hair, I pre-poo it, and after I wash it, I deep condition it in the braids. I do everything in the braids with my hair. So this is the length. So get our measuring tape and go in again. Put it right here. Let's do that again. My strands got tangled in that. Alright, let's do it right here. Put it right there. And then this side is 13 inches. Yeah. Let's do the front. My hair is growing fast. I can't wait to be at waist length again. Yeah. Let's do this. Almost 14 and a half inches. It stopped right here. So it's almost 14 and a half inches. Woo! The back was 10 inches the last time. Let's see if it moved. The back problem, I tell you. It's going to be difficult, but we can do it. Alright? I need some help. I need some help. I guess just pull up everything else and then keep the back down. just make it doing until I'll fix that later. So I have some out in the back. Yeah. Like I said, I have not been using any combs to detangle. I use combs for my parts, but and you bet I'm gonna braid back my hair up after this. Well, probably not today. I'll probably put it in twist for a few days until I have time. I'm just doing this video real quick before my next client comes. I have a knot right here. See with me. Alright, let's do it. So let me show you where the back reach first. I hope you can see. Can my hand reach it? Yay! Yeah, I'm back at bra strap length. So I'm right here. This is where my bra strap is. And my head is up. Let me see. I'm trying to look in the mirror to see if you guys can actually see. Yeah. Bra strap. So let's do the length. Wow, the back is 13 and a little bit over an half inches. Wow, so that's, yeah, the back really grew. This is a surprise. I'm so excited. Let me know in the comment section below, how has your hair growth journey been? Are you on this journey with me? I'm so excited because we are getting to the waistline together. If you have 4C hair, let me know, or type 4 hair, or any texture for that matter, let me know. How's your hair growth regimen coming on? Until next time, remember, Jesus love you, so be very good, and I'll see you in another video. Go over to New Growth Naturals Hub for all your DIYs and all the behind the scenes video. Make sure you subscribe. Bye bye.